Wait, you've been thinking what?
I'm thinking we need to go on a daddy-daughter date.
Yeah.
It's high time, isn't it?
Okay.
So, I got something in my pocket for you.
Okay.
Right there, in my pocket.
This pocket?
Right here.
Where? Wait, at the Tacoma Dome? Oh my gosh!
Where are we going?
To the Justin Bieber concert!
When is it?
It's tonight.
What time?
I don't know. It's at 7.
I think me and Dad should go and leave you home.
Mom and I are gonna go.
What?
We'll get you a babysitter.
What? You're joking, I know it.
That wasn't a very good reaction. I thought you'd scream.
The guy at work gave me